A U.S. district judge recently upheld a massive $243 million jury verdict against Tesla. This stems from a deadly 2019 crash tied to its Autopilot feature. Victims of autonomous vehicle accidents gain hope from this ruling. If you or a loved one has been affected, consulting a Tesla Autopilot injury lawyer in San Francisco could help you understand your rights. It shows automakers face growing accountability for advanced driver assistance systems. If you or a loved one suffered harm in a Tesla self-driving incident, a Tesla Autopilot injury lawyer in San Francisco can help. Contact the law office of John J. Roach for guidance. The crash happened on April 25, 2019, in Key Largo, Florida. George McGee drove a 2019 Tesla Model S with Autopilot on. He traveled at about 62 miles per hour through an intersection. Distracted by reaching for his dropped phone, he hit a parked SUV on the shoulder. The collision killed 22-year-old Nibel Benavides Leon. It left her boyfriend, Dylan Angelo, with severe injuries. McGee settled privately with the plaintiffs later. Attention then turned to Tesla's responsibility. In August 2025, a federal jury in Miami held Tesla 33% at fault. They cited defects and shortcomings in the Autopilot system. The jury awarded $19.5 million in compensatory damages to Benavides Leon's estate. Angulo received $23.1 million. They added $200 million in punitive damages, totaling $243 million. Tesla appealed strongly. On February 20, 2026, Judge Beth Bloom rejected these arguments. She ruled the evidence fully supported the verdict. Tesla offered no fresh points to overturn it. This stands as the first federal jury verdict in a fatal Autopilot case to survive appeal. The upheld verdict warns the auto industry. Tesla, led by CEO Elon Musk, advances self-driving tech for cars and robotaxis. The ruling highlights risks when systems fail to stop foreseeable crashes, even with driver error involved. It confirms manufacturers face liability for design flaws or poor warnings that cause harm. Many Tesla Autopilot lawsuits settle or dismiss early. As these features spread, know your rights after an accident. At the law office of John J. Roach in San Francisco, we fight for victims of vehicle accidents. We handle cases with advanced tech like Autopilot. If a safety system failed in your crash, get experienced help. You deserve compensation for medical bills, lost wages, physical pain, mental suffering, loss of enjoyment of life, disfigurement, physical impairment, inconvenience, grief, anxiety, humiliation, emotional distress, and more. Don't face this alone. Call us today for a free consultation. We discuss your case and options. Together, we hold negligent parties accountable and aid your recovery. The California DMV sued Tesla for deceptive ads. Terms like autopilot and full self-driving implied full autonomy. Yet systems require constant driver attention. In December 2025, an administrative judge ruled against Tesla. Contact the law office of John J. Roach in San Francisco today. We offer free consultations. Let's pursue the justice and compensation you deserve.